Hello everybody, welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to discuss about the nerve system. What helps you to remember the topics that you have read in your previous chapters? How do you blink your eyes without even knowing about it? We are able to do these tasks with the help of the nerve system. The nerve system is made up of the brain, the spinal cord, and the network of nerves that run throughout our body. Brain. The brain controls everything in the human body. The skull protects the brain. The part of the skull that protects the brain is called the cranium. The brain is made up of three parts that carry out different tasks. They are the cerebrum, the cerebellum, and the brainstem. Cerebrum. This is the largest part of the human brain. It controls our intelligence, memory, logic, and sense organs. It also controls our body movement. Cerebellum. This is the second largest part of the brain and is present behind the cerebrum. It controls balance and posture of our body and also actions of the muscles in the body. Brainstem. It is also called the medulla. The brainstem connects the brain to the spinal cord. The nerves in the brainstem control our heartbeat, breathing, and the blood pressure. Spinal cord. Spinal cord is a bunch of nerves that begins from the base of the brain and connects it to other parts of the body. It is protected inside the backbone. Its main function is to pass on information between the brain and the other parts of the body. Reflex action. A reflex action is an involuntary or automatic action of our body in response to something. Most reflex actions take place when the messages are sent to and from the spinal cord without involving the brain. Hence, such responses are very fast. For example, if you touch a hot object by mistake, a reflex causes you to remove your hand immediately. You blink when something flies in front of your eyes. You step back when someone tries to fall on you. Even coughing and sneezing are reflexes. Here, I have shown the difference between reflex action and walking. Reflex action takes place without thought. It is controlled by spinal cord. It is involuntary action. But walking is take place after thought, controlled by cerebellum. It is a voluntary action. Nerves. Nerves are bundles of long, thin, thread-like structures that carry messages between the brain and spinal cord and other parts of the body. Depending on their functions, there are three main types of nerves in our body. They are sensory nerves, motor nerves, and mixed nerves. In this way, the nerves are functioning and they are doing their work properly. Here the stimulus, that is heat, that can be detected by our skin. So our skin is like a receptor. Then the messages are passing to the spinal cord. From the spinal cord, the messages are passing to the effector. Effector is the muscles of arm. And after that we are giving the response as lifting of hand. Sensory nerves. These nerves carry messages from the sense organ to the brain or spinal cord. Motor nerves. These nerves carry messages from the brain or spinal cord to the muscles of organs. Mixed nerves. These nerves carry out both the functions, that is, carry messages to the brain or spinal cord and bring back messages from the brain or spinal cord.